Hello and welcome to the first edition of Hal's Kitchen. My name is Hal and today we will be doing the famous Icelandic Hjónabandssæla or happy marriage cake. All we need today are 2 eggs, 1 cup of flour, 2/3 cup of sugar, 2 cups of oats, 200 grams of sugar, 3 tablespoons of oil, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of baking soda, and also rhubarb jam. We put everything together into this mixer here. And then we give it a little spin. After it has mixed well together, we put the dough into the baking form. Next we put rhubarb jam on top. Then you put the remaining dough on top of the cake. Distribute it just evenly. Then we put the cake into 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, the happy marriage cake is in the oven. We whip some cream. After about 20 minutes, when the cake is golden brown, we take it out. And leave it to cool. There's nothing else left to do but to cut the cake. Put some cream. And coffee. This is the real Hjónabandssæla.